Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on your PlayStation 4. Let's dive right into the fundamentals of getting started with this exciting game. First, explore the various game modes available, like the story-driven campaign or competitive multiplayer. Next, take a moment to understand your controller's layout and customize your settings for optimal performance. Completing the in-game tutorial will also provide a solid foundation for your gameplay journey. Now, let's focus on core gameplay mechanics. Mastering your movement is crucial. Practice sprinting, sliding, and jumping to navigate maps efficiently. When engaging enemies, always aim down sights for better accuracy and utilize cover to protect yourself. Understanding your weapon's recoil will also help you control your shots, leading to more successful eliminations and a better overall experience in every match. Ready to elevate your game? It's time to explore advanced tactics and loadout customization. Experiment with various weapon classes to discover what suits your playstyle best. Tailor your loadouts with perks, attachments, and equipment to gain an edge. Effective team communication, often through voice chat, is vital for coordinated pushes and holding objectives. Also, learning map layouts will help you anticipate enemy movements and dominate the battlefield. Finally, continuous practice and progression are key to becoming a skilled player. Don't be afraid to review your gameplay. It's a fantastic way to learn from your mistakes and refine your strategies. Playing different game modes will broaden your skill set, making you a more versatile combatant. Engaging with the Call of Duty community can also provide valuable insights and keep you informed about the latest game updates. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.